Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare a delicious chicken salad recipe. First, ensure you have about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced into small pieces. Next, gather your essential ingredients: mayonnaise, finely chopped celery, and a bit of red onion for a subtle crunch. Don't forget your basic seasonings like salt, black pepper, and a hint of dried dill to enhance the flavor profile. This simple foundation sets the stage for a truly satisfying dish. Once your ingredients are prepped, gently combine the chicken, mayonnaise, celery, and red onion in a large mixing bowl. Stir everything together until it's evenly coated and well incorporated. For an exciting twist, try adding about 1/4 cup of chopped grapes for sweetness or pecans for a nutty crunch. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice can also brighten the entire salad, adding a lovely zesty note that truly elevates the taste. Chicken salad is incredibly versatile for serving. Enjoy it classic style on your favorite bread, with crisp crackers, or as a lighter option in fresh lettuce wraps. For the best flavor, I recommend chilling your prepared salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all the delicious ingredients to meld beautifully. Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator and will stay fresh for up to 3 days. To take your chicken salad to the next level, don't hesitate to experiment with fresh herbs like chopped parsley or chives for added freshness. If you're looking for a lighter alternative, consider substituting some or all of the mayonnaise with plain Greek yogurt. It adds a tangy creaminess without the extra calories. And speaking of fresh, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.